Pakistan biosecurity system. Pakistan is a developing country and they can enjoy the fewer benefits of the biotechnology. पाकिस्तान बाहर से सीड्स नहीं मंगवा सकता क्योंकि ये एक्सपेंसिव हैं. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फील्ड को हर जगह अप्लाई नहीं कर सकता, फार्मास्यूटिकल हो या एग्रीकल्चर, बिकॉज इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. बट स्टिल, even still, recent advances takes place in the biomedical research because of the stress given by the private and the public sector to control the infectious diseases. Now, biosafety and biosecurity guidelines are at an early stage. Still now biosafety policy strategies are not developed yet. Even not for the transportation of the infectious material. Pakistan is still using the guidelines of World Health Organization for the transportation of infectious material. पाकिस्तान में बहुत सारी बीमारियां कॉमन हैं जिसमें कि HIV, जिसे हम एड्स भी कहते हैं, हेपेटाइटिस बी, सी, डेंगू फीवर, मल्टी ड्रग रेजिस्टेंस, कॉलरा, influenza, and even the outbreak of gastroenteritis is very much common among children. So here biosafety and biosecurity policies are required. So Pakistan biosafety rules were notified in 2005 that regulates the manufacturing, import, and even the storage of genetically modified organisms. Then it also deals with the import, export, sale and purchase of genetically modified organisms which are commercially beneficial. These rules also provide the guidelines for the lab work, that if the product is designed in the lab, then whether there is commercial importance of that product is there or not. But unfortunately there is a gap between the research area and the industrial zone. So because of lack of this collaboration, we cannot fully focus on this guideline. Then Pakistan biosafety rules also regulate the establishment of the procedures as well as their implementation. इस बायोसेफ्टी रूल को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए पाकिस्तान में 3 किस्म की कमेटीज़ हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ नोन एज NBC, दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर नेशनल बायोसेफ्टी कमेटी. The second one is IBC, that stands for Institutional Biosafety Committee, and the third one is Technical Advisory Committee. They not only deals with the biosafety rules, but they also deal with the biosecurity rules depending upon the field in which genetically modified organisms are used.